All right, checking this project. Got a little dirt on the screen there. Project that we started last year, just finished it up here in the beginning of the summer. See what we got going on. Got retaining wall, some veneer, nice caps on there, a little bit of landscaping coming through. Our whole yard had been sodded. Techo block patio all around. Nice pool with the little lounge area. Fire bowls with the waterfalls coming out, which are not turned on right now. Should have had them turned on, but I did not, unfortunately. Then we built up all these steps here at the landing, little spot for the outdoor cooking stuff, and dragonfly. And that's a wrap. Probably gonna sit here for another hour or so and just relax, maybe even take a nap. Don't tell nobody.
Do you like me? If you do, please say.